Welcome to the Monster Truck Dragon Showdown. Let's turn on this way so you can see that big dragon head. And look at there, there's the trophy. Gonna win the trophy? Who's gonna win, James?
You, Gravedigger.
Gravedigger's gonna win? Okay, let's try. Oh, didn't get the trophy, but he didn't get eaten by the dragon, so that's good. What?
It's Monster Jam.
Yeah, Monster Jam. Let's try Firestorm. Really? That's all you got in there, kid? Oh, he got eaten. Oh, no. Look at that. He's in his mouth. You gonna get him out? You gonna rescue him? Okay. Boo. Boo. The big bad dragon ate. Oh. What happened? How'd that happen? Good job. All right, let's see who else we have. We have El Toro Locos. Gonna give it a try.
Yellow Toro.
Yellow El Toro, yeah. We have more than one, and he's a different color, right?
He's the yellow one.
Yellow one.
That's a yellow monster truck.
That is a yellow monster truck. Let's go. Let's see if he's gonna get that trophy. Ready? Oh, he got eaten by the big bad dragon.
Big dragon.
All right, go to the losers circle. Let's try. You want to try Crusader?
Yeah.
Let's try Crusader.
Let me try him.
Let me start. Oh, he made it through, but he didn't get the trophy. Okay. Let's see who else we have. Want to try the brown El Toro logo?
That's Monster. Look.
Oh, he made it through. Didn't get the... Who's that?
Dragon now.
Try dragon now? Okay. Oh, dragon got eaten by that big dragon head. Ooh. Loser circle. Okay. Steel Striker. Let's try him. You want to try Steel Striker? You try Steel Striker. Your turn. Oh, didn't get very far.
Mommy.
Oh, yay! He did it!
Oh, yeah, he did it!
Steel Striker's a winner. Dun, dun, dun. He gets the trophy. Awesome. You want me to put it back?
Yeah.
Back in his tail? I'll put him back in his tail. But that was pretty cool. Steel Striker's the winner. Yay! What do you have on your shirt, James?
Monster truck.
You do. I love it. Okay, Monster Trucks. Are you ready? Let's do a wheelie. You ready to do a wheelie? Wheelie. Whoa! I could do a wheelie. Could you do a wheelie? Wheelie. Oh, you did a big wheelie. Wow.
I'll flip it over.
Oh, he flipped over? Let me see. Flip him over here. He flipped over. What else does...
Flip over Gravedigger.
I flip over Gravedigger.
Oh.
Gravedigger. You want this one?
No donuts.
Do donuts? Okay, I do donuts. Oh, you crashed doing the donuts. I'll do donuts again. Donuts. Oh, it's like you did the backspin. So what else do you like to do? What else do you like to do, Monster Truck?
Wheelie.
Wheelies? Okay, we'll do more wheelies. Wheelies. Whoa, wheelies. What else? Do you like to jump?
Yeah.
Let's see you jump. Jump. Whoa, he jumps really high.
Crunch car.
How about crush cars? How about... Okay, let's get some cars to crush. Do you like to crush cars?
Yeah. Yeah, crush cars.
Okay, we'll get some cars to crush. Let's get some cars. Okay. Oh. I got him. Oh, they're trying to get away. They don't want to get crushed. Ready? Let's crush them. Oh, they all got away. Let's try that again. You want to do it? Yeah, crush the cars. Crush the cars. Oh, you jumped over the cars. You didn't crush them. You jumped over them.
No, super dope.
Let's crush the cars. Oh, very good. Good job. Okay, you gonna say goodbye?
No.
You don't want to say goodbye? You gotta say goodbye to the video.
Bye, videos.
Bye, videos. You gonna say like and subscribe?
Sorry.
Subscribe. Okay.